how safe is the wallet? Because all of us money study.
See, first thing, we used the IBM server. IBM is the best company, you know.
Mainframe computers there.
IBM server we are using, and server we are not keeping in India because hacker are there more in India. We are keeping this in Germany. Germany is a cool place. Our server is there. No one is going to touch the server. I only is the authority to just control the server.
हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ आशी दर्जी फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद गुजरात। आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। मेरे दो क्वेश्चन हैं आपसे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, क्या आप अभी तक रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट और डिस्काउंट पॉइंट के बीच में कंफ्यूज हो? उसे कहाँ यूज़ करना है, कैसे करना है, उसके बीच में बहुत ही कंफ्यूज हो? और सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको नेक्स्ट मनी के एप्लीकेशन की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में जानना है, आपको वो नहीं पता है? अगर हाँ, तो इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, क्योंकि आपके दोनों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मैं नहीं बल्कि CMD सर मिस्टर अभिषेक कुमार बर्मन सर खुद देने वाले हैं। यस, वो खुद आपके साथ इसकी सेफ्टी के बारे में शेयर करने वाले हैं, रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट और डिस्काउंट पॉइंट के बारे में भी वो आगे शेयर करने वाले हैं। बट बिफोर दैट, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हो तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दीजिए, ताकि ऐसे ही वीडियोस आप देखते रहे और सारी अपडेट से जुड़े रहे। सो फर्स्ट लेट्स क्लियर योर डाउट। हम CMD सर की आवाज़ में वीडियो सुनना शुरू करते हैं।
We are giving 1% uses of reward point. Means it depends on you. You can exhaust all the reward point at a time, or you can use slowly.
How can you do at a time?
If you are doing lakhs of recharge,
Others also are.
yes, this is the business also, na, for many people, and many business people are using this application for their recharge and all these things.
You become an agent for it.
But whenever you are recharging, again you are getting some more reward points.
No,
Cashback.
cashback we have.
No reward point. there.
No. 1% reward point users, 2% cashback. And 25% of this cashback will be given to 10 level as a repurchase.
In addition to this.
Addition to this.
Uniform.
Uniform. Second, in bus booking, we are giving 2% of the reward point users. And 2% of the cashback.
So 100 rupees का मेरा टिकट है तो 2 रुपए कटता है उसमें। So 98 rupees मुझे पे करना पड़ेगा।
सबसे पहले तो ये बता दूं कि जहां तक अभी तक आप देखते आए थे, वहां पे आपका 100 रुपीज का टिकट होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपका टिकट 90 रुपए का ही है। पहला डिफरेंस।
उस 90 में 2
उस 90 में 2 रुपए आप रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट यूज करेंगे और 2% फिर से वापस कैशबैक आएगा।
और कंपैरिजन टू ऑल जितना भी है नेक्स्ट मंथ के सबसे कम
रेट से जो कम है।
रेट का एक इसमें एक्स्ट्रा फीचर आप ऐड कर सकते हैं, डिस्काउंट फर्स्ट। डिस्काउंट फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट इज देयर, देन 2% रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट यूजेस, देन 2% कैशबैक। Second, like flight booking, you can use 1% reward point and 2% of cashback.
1% of reward point का मतलब क्या है? 1500 का 1% या उस फ्लाइट बुकिंग का 1%?
Flight booking का 1.
Suppose I have 1,500 points. You want
Yes.
How much I can use it?
100%.
If your flight is 1 lakh rupees cost, if your flight costing is 1 lakh rupees, 1% of that 1 lakh is 1,000. You can use 1,000 reward point.
It's on the cost of the ticket you get reward point, not on the reward point. So 8,000 मेरा अगर
1% of 1,500 means 15 rupees only.
Suppose I got 1,000 reward point.
Huh?
Can I recharge for 10,000?
Can?
Recharge for 10,000.
Huh?
I can use this reward point full.
1%
1%.
of the
1%
recharge
of the
amount, of the transaction amount.
For 10,000 तो 1%.
दूसरा एक जो खास चीज है वो मैं बताना चाहूंगा, शॉपिंग। शॉपिंग में आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो हमने इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. यू कैन यूज 1% to 100% of your reward point.
So 100 रुपीज का एक प्रोडक्ट है तो 100 रुपीज का रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट लेके मैं फ्री में ले सकता हूँ.
हाँ, 1% to 100% डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रोडक्ट. जैसे कई प्रोडक्ट है हमारे पास जिसमें पूरा का पूरा 1500 आप यूज कर लो और बाकी का खरीद लो.
पर अभी नहीं है ना कोई प्रोडक्ट.
है एक हमारे पास है ये आयुर्वेदिक हर्बल वेलनेस में. कौन है वेलनेस इंडस्ट्री में? यू आर है. एक हमारे पास हर्बल जूस है, आयुर्वेदिक जूस, जो दीपक एनर्जी करके एक मुंबई में कंपनी है. कंपनी
वो हाथ के बाद
हाँ मालूम है ना.
हाँ मैं आई नो आई रेड.
वो उस बॉटल को 5,000 रुपया में नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में बेचती है सर.
हाँ
उस बॉटल के अंदर जितनी खासियत है वही मैन्युफैक्चरर से बनाया हुआ अपने पास वही आयुर्वेदिक बॉटल है. मतलब सेम द थिंग्स इज. एंड आवर एमआरपी इज ओनली 3,250 रुपीज. और इसमें भी आपको हम मौका देते हैं पूरा का पूरा रिवार्ड पॉइंट यूज कर लो.
अच्छा
यहाँ पे तो नहीं है.
है.
अच्छा मैं तो अभी इसको आज मंगा लूंगा. तो आज मंगा लूंगा because I use the product very nice.
हाँ.
Product is very good.
प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी
Very good.
वेरी गुड.
ये देखिए सर,
वो वाला प्रोडक्ट.
देखिए आप खुद प्रैक्टिकली चेक करके देखिए. एंड व्हाट इज द मिरेकल अगेन? यू यूज दिस 1550 रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट, अगेन यू आर गेटिंग 400 कैशबैक and 100 rupees goes to repurchase income, and at last after full transaction you are again getting 3,250 reward point.
Oh.
In our shopping we are giving you 100% MRP as a reward point again, so that up to lifetime you can use this reward point here. You will not be exhausted with your reward point. Means shopping is indirectly free.
How do I know this will give me purchasing and getting a cashback? Transparency.
Which transparency?
There is a report there, cashback reports they have.
All system is see.
How many people
My
using,
mobile is
how
there.
many people using, how many people
Give me.
using.
Now I am showing you live. I don't know because I from morning I am in meeting. How much today payout goes? I also don't know. I have to see कि आज कितना पैसा लोगों ने ले लिया. This much transparency we have. I also don't know.
I like
कि
that.
you earned 1,000 rupees.
I like when MD does not know how much MD because then he says, why should I pay that guy 5 lakh rupees? Okay, I should not pay. That's what happens in all the companies.
So I put it this decentralized.
Yeah, you have all the reports here, so we
That's the
can.
main.
Cashback.
Yeah. How many?
So each transaction you get
It's very clear. Transparency.
See, up to now, 69,900 transaction is done and 17,000 payout is gone to the team. Today,
Without knowledge.
without my knowledge.
maintain that.
Sir, if team increases now, I am even seeing the report, it will not be seen if the team increases. I will have to see only in lakhs. Okay, this much lakh gone. Where gone? I don't know. Maybe sitting here, many will earn the money. Maybe so. By sitting at seminar only, he is earning the money. So me. Oh. 13. Today is 13.
Yes.
See, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. Oh, 100 times he got the payout. Now sitting at this hall. This is the miracle we are going to create. This is the revolution we are going to create. We need your true support.
Now, how does that happen? You are connecting your bank into this app. When I do a withdrawal, you are not approving it, it happens automatically.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
It is connected. All thing is connected in a.
So it doesn't require your approval or anybody's backup.
So that's why.
Only royalty is in my approval. Only royalty is in my approval because who are getting royalty? Who is doing something for the team? Who is doing something for the company?
Yes.
Not centralized, decentralized.
Yes.
Anything share also there from this? X money?
Feature
Share.
idea.
Shares, IPO.
No, share. We want to buy it, sir. We can.
No, just I'm asking.
Now he is thinking like Paytm. That time he is 5 lakh rupees. They are earning. Yes, we have.
Some investors
Really
are.
absolute mega
We have many things.
Then we contact Rossini. Rossini is a guy, you know.
So how safe is the wallet? Because all of us money is study there.
See, first thing, we used the IBM server. IBM is the best company you know.
Mainframe computers there.
IBM server we are using, and server we are not keeping in India because hacker are there more in India. We are keeping this in Germany. Germany is a cool place. Our server is there. No one is going to touch the server. I only is the authority to just control the
You also
server.
have a backup server?
Yes, dual core is there. Dual core is always there, and backup team is there who is running 24/7. Who is seeing. Second thing, SSL is there. Third thing, token generation is there. Earlier we also got losses of 60,000-70,000 because of this type of things. But we put it in a token base. One token matches by server, one token match by this database and your wallet. When it matches, then the transaction happens. We have 64 GB RAM of server because Bitcoin, every people know cryptocurrency. So there is a what is there? No. Token transaction is there, na? Blockchain. So blocks is there. You can do only 26 transaction of Bitcoin in a second. There is a limitation. So if you are converting this Bitcoin to some other coin, Ether or anything, it goes on pending, even in blockchain. And it is processing. When it gets some this space, then it will do the process. Either if it not get space, then your Bitcoin is not transferred to the Ether. I am telling this because I also know coin. Okay, so don't think about the security. We are making it more and more, and now we are powered by Axis Bank.
What is that actually? You said last
Axis Bank is not giving gateway to anyone or any company without verifying all these things.
When in demonetization time, Axis Bank was the only bank who faces the maximum fraudulent activities. That is why that is the most secure bank at the moment.
No,
Where can I see the Axis Bank gateway?
add money. You go to add money. There is two system: Axis Pay but there is limitation in Axis Bank. We have added only net banking there, and minimum 1,000 rupees transaction is there. Lower than that, you can use PayUmoney. But I am telling you, prefer Axis Bank gateway for net banking because it is more secure for net banking.
So minimum 1,000 rupees.
Many people are adding 1 rupees also,
One more
5
thing.
rupees also.
One more thing, when we add money, suppose say I got some odd number 100 rupees and I joined somebody, so some 64 rupees is there, and that I cannot, when I am redeeming money, that 64 rupees is not going to that. That is very important. That is clarified.
सब कुछ आज क्लियर कर ही लेंगे.
यस, थैंक यू सो मच. सुना सर को, समझ लिया ना, हो गया ना आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर. यस, आई नो कि आप सब ने कभी ना कभी या तो नेक्स्ट मनी ज्वाइन करने से पहले या नेक्स्ट मनी को प्रमोट करते वक्त किसी ना किसी से ये सुना ही होगा कि ये सेफ तो है ना, क्या सिक्योरिटी है, अगर हमारे पैसे कहीं फंस तो नहीं जाने वाले. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने सुने ही होंगे, है ना. तो अगर आपको किसी ने ये बोला है तो आप ये वीडियो उनके साथ भी शेयर कीजिएगा. क्या पता अगर ये डाउट उनका क्लियर हो जाता है तो वो शायद आपके साथ ज्वाइन हो जाए, आपको एक अच्छा सा लीडर मिल जाए. सो थैंक यू सो मच वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट करना ना भूलें और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा. जल्दी मिलती हूँ मैं एक और नए अपडेट के साथ. जय हिंद.